In this problem, it says that a group of kids has an average height of 55 inches. A group of teenagers that is 3 times bigger in population has an average height of 67 inches. What is the average height among all the kids and teenagers? To this problem, I'm going to fill in this table here. So it says that the children have an average height of 55 inches. And the teenagers have an average height of 67 inches. And then, even though we don't know how many kids and teens there are, we know the relative amounts of them, because we know that there's 3 times as many teens as there are kids. So I can use this to assign a weight to them so I can compute a weighted average. So because it says there's 3 times as many teens, I'm going to give them a weight of 3. And then the children will have a weight of 1 in this problem. And now we can compute a weighted average. Remember, to do a weighted average, you just do your value times the weight, and you sum all of those, and then you divide by the total amount of weight there is. So let's do that. I'm going to move down here. And all we need to do is 55 times 1 plus 67 times 3, because there are 3 times as many teenagers, hence we put it times 3. And then we just divide that by the total amount of weight there is. Here is just 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1 is just 4. And then now we can just compute this expression. 55 times 1 is just 55. And then 67 times 3, that's just 201. And then 55 plus 201 is 256. Oops. So we have 256 inches divided by 4, and if you do that, this ends up being 64 inches. So this means the average height among all these kids and teens is 64 inches.